in a pop can. Just wait and see what happens.
With pop and it's gonna explode.
I guess you can ruin the surprise. Try to take this top off.
See, it's actually full.
Okay. Watch out.
I guess you can't actually see
Here we
it.
go.
But she's gonna blow!
I didn't put it in yet.
Oh.
That'd be stupid if I did. Nothing happened. Like the other try.
Yeah,
Hurry up,
like
Chuckles.
nothing happened like the other try.
Look at my,
Matthew drank too much.
look at our poor snowman.
Hey!
Oh.
It's gonna go! That's amazing.
Oh crap! Oh, Andrew, you moron!
Whoa! Is that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah. Well, it's supposed to go higher, but the Mento's all
Exploded out.
bunched up.
You moron, Andrew.
Oh, it's still coming up. No, it's not.
More gum.
That's not gum.
It is horrible.